Okay, one more try. I've just done a run around the block, so we'll see. Now it's drive, shifting to reverse, and that's it. I don't know if you can hear it, but the sound is there. It's probably it'll be easier to hear it from the outside. Put in the e-brake, leaving the car in reverse. I hope you can hear it somewhere. Sorry, cannot hear it. Cannot locate the source of the sound. Okay. It's obviously in there, but I cannot listen. I cannot locate the sound by looking under the hood. Okay, shifting to drive. It's almost gone. Shifting to park. It's gone completely. Shifting again to reverse. It's there again. I don't know, if you have any ideas, let me know, because I'm lost. I'm just